In Hello everyone. Today my fourth day, and that type of a day I promise in 20 day and 30 day promise to, and every day in that time I came and I just introduce my today what to do and what today I what do and which what means what I am doing in one day was explained in the whole day. Yes, okay. First I wake up and then I decide कि I will go in a gym. Then I am went to go in the gym today in Wednesday region in the dress code in the PT uniform, PT t-shirt and lower and PT shoes, and then I timely reach in a gym, and that just normal phenomena every day, just the same phenomena and do and then in my coordinator not come, then this in the, just in the recent posted in a different, and then person decide just to say कि you round in the third round, first in the three round first you have running in the three round, then decide to one round just run and second round just no one in, not any teacher come in, ground teacher not come. That reason only people talking one and another person, and right now topic only one topic election, because in this college have four post, and president, vice president, DRR, and president, vice president, safer club, do different type of club. So all the people discuss in this. Why not say something and not recall कि what I discuss and which topic I discuss or not, because if I discuss wasted in my times and this area. So I just main point main mudda in first class in Arvindam sir not came in this first class. Region in the second class, region in the second class in sorry, second class in the Gautam sir, second class, first class Gautam sir not come to that region, and the second class in Sondaki Singh, because today in and Tuesday, and in this day in Sondaki class in 2 hours class, and then everyone just came and sit and reach. I just reach in my experimental and control lab, then read and Sondaki just Sondaki sir come, then Sondaki sir came and just first in come, and Sondaki sir first in detect and just get in the in attendance, because however attendance is a very important in that, and then however and every day as just mind up thinking in Sondaki sir just discuss who how many people go in FGU, and if people not go then why and discuss कि why you are not go, and that talk in different scenario why you are not go, and this study is like one rules. If you not go in FGU, then you not able to sit in front of line. So you sit in all the last two rows, and all last two rows people in the front and sit in the front of line. That type of pick one is a scenario is a Sondaki sir. So in the only 4 minutes one video, that thing we can cut, and next video is clip.